All right, guys, welcome back to another episode. We're here at CES with Segway, checking out some cool robotic mowers.
Segway is so cool. I wish that I could go out on the lawn like it does.
Hi, Ryan here. Hi, Ryan.
I'll see you guys.
Thank you for having us. Now, we're looking at some of the new lineup here. We have the I series and the 8 series. Can you go ahead and just walk us through them?
Yeah, for sure. So this is Navimo H series. It's the first generation we launched since 2 years before.
Okay.
And the key point you can see here, we have a camera. The camera will help Navimo to see and detect the border. So you can help Navimo to run even without satellite.
What kind of camera is it?
The camera is a fisheye camera. It can handle low light situation.
Nice.
Especially under like trees.
Yeah.
So you can still use it.
Okay, good.
At daytime. So the main point for this generation is we want to free people to, you don't need to lay out perimeter wire.
Okay.
With RTK satellite positioning, plus this camera can detect the border, so you can handle most of the complex yards.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the main point. But you can see here, this is a compact version of a Navimo.
Yeah, it's a lot smaller. I see that.
A lot smaller. So you can see that the inside is similar. We have a camera, and also built in here we have RTK or satellite module. But what's the difference in this model? This compact version. So we want to offer everyone a more entry level.
Right.
Yeah, but we don't want to sacrifice experiences.
Exactly.
So we do have some improvements in software. So what's the improvement? Actually, in this generation, you don't need to lay out perimeter wire. Everything can be done by the joystick in the app.
Nice.
So
Okay.
app control, you can do everything. But here, if someone want to, easier, more convenient, we actually offer autopilot mapping in
wow.
the generation. So by camera detection, in mapping process,
It can map it out itself.
everything automatically.
Oh, wow, nice. And it can detect barriers and obstacles.
Everything. So let's say Navimo H series, you don't need to do manually work, but this generation, you don't need to do anything.
So it's like almost like a size of a robot vacuum
Right.
in the house, but for outdoors. And that's
Exactly.
convenient because usually these things are really, really big.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is absolutely cool. Now, we have one that's actually on demo over here too, correct?
Yeah, let's go now.
Yeah, let's go take a look.
Yeah.
So this is like the charging base, or how's that?
Actually, you can see here, the charging base is here. So this is actually the garage for Navimo.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, actually-
so for outdoor and making sure weather
Yeah,
resistance.
Like yes, actually you don't need the garage for Navimo, but everyone, if you buy this baby, you
Yeah.
want to protect this baby.
Yeah,
so
right, of
we
course.
recommend you can buy a garage to protect your baby.
Oh, okay, so it's an option. It's an
It's
option.
an option. It's an option.
Very nice.
Yeah. So you can see the charging station here. So the pain point for the traditional robotic mower is sometimes it gets stuck.
Right, exactly. That's true.
Yeah, so especially it gets stuck during returning to charging station. So you can see here we have identification strip.
Oh, okay.
So the navigation, especially the satellite, will navigate Navimo to go here. And when Navimo wants to go exactly to the charging station, the camera will detect the strip.
Okay.
And it will follow strictly this strip, and it will go smoothly to the charging
Oh, wow. Nice. Now, I love the fact that it has a nice LCD display on there,
Yep.
Showcasing the different specs. Can you talk more about the menu on there? The manual buttons?
The menu button, we have 3 buttons here. So maybe we stop.
Is this for like the grass height or?
This is for this is adjustable cutting height.
Okay,
It's
okay.
manual. It's like,
Nice.
yeah. It's up to 3.6 inches.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then we have 3 buttons here. We have mow and go back home.
Okay.
Yeah, but we need to have OK here. This is also a turn on, turn off button.
And it's fully app integrated, showcasing where it cut and how to cut, etc.
Yes, yes. We
And-
just want to offer you option when we're using Navimo.
Right.
You can also operate Navimo in the app.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the outside booth, as you guys have a demo there too, correct?
It's true. It's true.
All right, let's take a look. All right, so we're outside here at the Segway booth with Shawa. Thank you again. Can you go ahead and kind of demonstrate us how this works outside?
Yes, this is our first demo area. We already set up a map for the machine.
Okay.
So the machine will just work within the map and mow every part of it. Let me show you.
So this is actually cutting, correct?
Yes, this is actually cutting. It will just get out here and get out everywhere done and come back.
And this is how loud it is?
This is just this is the noise.
That,
Can you
that's
hear
it?
that? Yes.
That's it? That's
you
nothing.
can hear the wind, but you can hear it.
No, I cannot. That is
Yes.
absolutely amazing.
Yes.
It's super quiet. I can't believe that it's actually cutting grass.
Yes.
So is it like a rotating blade, or is it like?
Yes, it's
okay, okay.
rotating like a disc with a very small blade
Very
on
small
it.
blade, okay.
Yes.
Wow, look at that. So what kind of pattern does it do for cutting?
It's like you can see it like
It
this
goes up
one.
and down like this?
Yes, up and down like this. But the next time it will change the direction because every time it turns around, it might hurt the grass a little bit.
Got it.
So we don't want it to turn every time at the same spot. So we change the pattern a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at the end of it, does it make the nice lines that everyone
Yes,
likes?
yes, you will
that's
see
the
that.
best part.
Yes.
Cool. So let's go ahead and try this out. So this is like the beginning, like right when I just bought it. It says to create a map.
Yes, because for a robotic mower,
Right, it has to understand.
yeah, you have to teach it where to go, where not to go.
Right, of course.
Yes, this is the first step.
All right, so I'm gonna click create map.
Create a map. Yeah.
Okay.
You can speak out the tutorial. I can teach you.
All right, next.
Next.
Okay.
Oh.
And calibrate.
Okay. Calibrate. Yes, calibrate.
So it's coming out.
It's coming out. You will need
We're
your post
almost
of your
100%.
hand.
Look at that.
Yeah. So first we have a practice mode.
You're using a navigation system to kind of connect with it. Okay.
Yes, yes. You can click start mapping.
All right. Oh, it's like an
now
RC car.
Yeah.
So I
yes.
can drive it.
Yes, you can drive it.
Oh, it's actually pretty fast.
Yes.
Whoa.
Up and down, left and right. Yes, we have to. This is a practicing. If you're ready to start,
All
if
right.
you're ready to start, you can click that reach the start point. Then we can start mapping.
Walk along the edge and go. Okay, so we're creating a
Yes,
boundary.
Yes, yes. You can go that way. We can go around it. You can see that you have left a boundary here on the map. Ooh.
Okay.
Let's follow it. Wow.
It even drifts. All right, so
Oh,
we're
not
right over
really,
here.
not really, not really.
But it just shows you that you can go ahead and create your own boundary.
Yes,
You would do your whole yard at that point.
Yes,
Got
yes,
it.
yes.
So like
that's it.
my yard is 2 yards. Like it's one step and then another step. So I
Yes.
can make 2 different.
Yes, you can make 2 different areas and you can create a channel,
Yeah.
connect those 2 areas.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah,
Okay, then I just hit save map,
same map.
and that's it.
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
And now
then
it will only
start
cut-
working.
It will only cut in that area where I told
Yes,
you.
yes.
How cool is that? Very simple and very easy
That's all
to
you
use.
need to do. Yeah.
All right, well there you guys have it. Overall, a really cool product. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And surprisingly super easy to do. Literally just jump right into it and you can start cutting your grass in no time. Now with that said, if you had any questions, comments down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Segway, for having us.